Staying in touch with your family, friends, and coworkers is easy through Google Hangouts. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up and to use face-to-face video calls for groups of up to 25 people. To make your very first video call, you need to get the Hangouts download and set up your calling devices. If you're not using any built-in devices, plug in your headset or microphone and a camera, and Windows should recognize them. If they are not recognized or they are not functioning well, type Troubleshoot in Windows Search and open Troubleshoot Settings. Within the Troubleshoot page, look for the options related to your device issue. Click on the one you need and run its troubleshooter. Then follow the instructions given. You may need to turn on permissions for your camera and microphone in your computer's system settings. Now download and install the latest version of the Hangouts plugin according to your browser. Use the link provided in the description. Next, open hangouts.google.com. Navigate to the video call button and click on it. You will then be asked to allow use of your camera and microphone. In the upper left-hand corner, click Allow. You will only need to do this once during this initial setup. If your camera and microphone happen to be blocked, in the upper right-hand corner, click on the small camera icon. Select the option to always allow, and then click Done, and the video call should connect automatically. If it doesn't, then exit and restart your call. Once the call is initiated, you can start to invite other people. To add participants to a call already in progress, use the Invite People button. Anyone in the call can invite more people. Keep in mind that anyone you wish to invite to join the video call must have a Google account. Another way to have a group call is to create a list of people from your contacts before you start a call. Within Google Hangouts, click on the Contacts icon, then on Find Someone, and then on New Group. Conduct your search by using their name, email, or phone number. Once you've located them, click their contact name to invite them. You can do this for multiple people to have your group conversation. After you've got everyone invited, then click on Video Call to place the call and initiate the video. To end the call, simply click on the red phone button to disconnect. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can always contact us on Facebook or Twitter. Check out the Dell Community Forum to chat and share info with other Dell users. There are many other helpful tips and tutorials on this channel, so become a subscriber. And if you like this video, give it a like. And thanks for watching.